Hello everyone, welcome my channel ASP.NET Core, and in this video tutorial just I'm going to show you actually I'm announcing you a simple membership program that is a unlimited membership program, you can say. So in this membership program just I'm going to give you .NET Core project tutorials, and it's not a simple tutorial, it's a project based tutorial. And also I will provide you in the Dapper format in .NET Core API in an entity framework, and I also provide you Angular tutorials, REST API tutorials, React basis tutorials. I will give you videos plus source code plus resource material that I'm using in the course during the course. So also I will provide SQL Server, CSS3, jQuery, HTML, .NET Blazor, and NUnit, MS Test Unit. So it's a journey of your .NET developer. So I will provide you a full video tutorials on your mail. You can just download your content and see for if you want to keep it all material for the future. So you can just keep it in your hard drive also. So I will provide you only in 800 rupees for the Indian users and $1.15 for the outside of Indian, and you can say that other countries. So I will provide you first of all .NET Core tutorials, and in this core tutorial just I'm going to give you a basic tutorials. Like the first of all I will cover .NET Core, and here we have a course curriculum. You can say this is my course curriculum, and also you can say it's covered already. Already I covered all these topics in the format of. So first of all, you can say that here we have a technologykira.web, and in this project, and just I'm giving to you just reload it. First of all, I'm giving to you a basic concept about .NET Core and how the .NET Core works, MVC works, and basic tutorial, fundamental tutorials. And in the web, the single entity framework CRUD operations. And in the latter, I will cover a repository pattern in .NET Core. So here we have a technologykira.ui, technologykira.repositories and entities. So here we have a, you can say, so here we have a repository patterns, and in this project, in the repository pattern, we will cover tag helpers, utility, validations, view components, view models, and all. And also we will cover like that repository pattern. So we will cover implementations and interfaces, like on the basis of the many-to-many, one-to-many, and one-to-one relationships. So I will cover it. So here we have a simple demonstration of the tutorials. Just after that, we will cover a project that is the concert booking system. So here we have a concert booking system. So you can see here we have a concert booking system project, and I'm show you how it is work. So just run your project, and I will give you video tutorials. Listen carefully, video tutorials plus course code, source code plus resource material that I'm using during the course. So I will prepare. It's a beginning to advanced tutorial of your .NET. It's not only a .NET tutorials. It's provide a journey of your full stack development. So only I take 800 rupees for the Indian users and $15 for the other country users. And I'm giving you .NET Core tutorials, Dapper, React, Angular, and all technologies. So this is the simple demonstration of your concert booking system, and just you can just book your tickets. And here I'm using identity also. So you can say that this is a admin, and the password is looking like that. And now admin is logged into the system, and after that admin can add a new concert looking like that, edit concert and all. After that, the venue will be added, and artist you can see, and you can add new artist as well, and tickets that I'm using in the concert. And if you want to, if you are a user, then you can just book your tickets in the form of see available tickets, looking like that. If you have to seats number 8 is now you want to book in your tickets, then you can see the tickets number looking like that, and also print the tickets. Okay, so it's a simple demonstration of your tickets looking like that. Now just I'm going to give you a simple basic demonstration of repository pattern. Just after that, I will show you a clean architecture based project, that is student management system. And after that, I will go for the web API projects. So here we have a web API projects, and here we have a content of web API looking like that. I will cover all these things. I uh, I uh, I have covered all these topics in all projects, in all projects. So here we have two projects that will that is covered all .NET tutorials topics. So listen carefully. It's a best deal for you if you want to crack it. Like if you want to purchase this courses, only that is only 800 rupees for Indian users and $15 for other country users. So if you want to buy this course, if you want to buy this membership, just go for the description box and purchase the membership and just fill this form. In the description box, you have a link. You find a link in the description box, and just click on it, and you can just fill this form. Your name, your email ID, your contact number, transaction reference ID or order ID. If you have a PayPal account, just go for the PayPal QR code. And also you can use my mail ID, that is narinkumar851@gmail.com for paying. And if you want use any UPI ID for the Indian users, then you can just use. So the link is given in the description box. Hurry up guys, because it's too much cheap for you, and I will provide you better content on the basis of .NET Core, React, Dapper, Angular, .NET Core, test units, or you can say it's a journey. It's not a simple thing to use in your videos. It's a advanced version courses I will provide you. So just sign up in the course and just fill this form, and link is given in the description box.